Autopilot Enterprise Campaign Hub App. The pros, the cons. Autopilot Enterprise Campaign Hub app is designed to simplify marketing automation for large teams, but is it the right fit for enterprises? On the positive side, Autopilot provides an intuitive visual interface for designing customer journeys, allowing enterprises to create multi-channel campaigns with email, SMS, and in-app messaging. Its drag-and-drop workflow builder makes automation accessible without deep technical knowledge. Enterprises can segment audiences, trigger personalized messaging based on user behavior, and track campaign performance with detailed analytics. Many large organizations report improved lead nurturing and higher engagement rates when using Autopilot strategically. However, there are limitations. Most people get this wrong. They assume Autopilot can replace all marketing efforts. The surprising truth is that it works best when integrated with other systems like platforms, analytics tools, and sales operations. Some users also note that advanced customization can be challenging, and pricing for enterprise tiers can be substantial depending on contact volume and features. Additionally, teams may need dedicated training to fully leverage automation capabilities. In conclusion, Autopilot Enterprise Campaign Hub app is a solid solution for enterprises seeking to streamline marketing automation and create sophisticated customer journeys. Its strengths lie in multi-channel automation, visual workflow building, and analytics. Enterprises maximize value by integrating it with other tools, training teams properly, and combining automation with strategic human oversight. When used effectively, Autopilot can enhance engagement, accelerate lead nurturing, and drive measurable marketing results.